I would just like to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's the biggest of it all. Like you say, just being more knowledgeable about business space. You know, we don't have that when you're working for somebody else. You don't know all the ins and outs, but when you want to step out and do your own thing, it's a lot. These last 5 days have been real intense because now I'm actually getting out of that procrastination, because I've been doing a lot of procrastination. And so, like I say, when you talk, we're going to get together to see, because a lot of stuff I already have done, to see what's going to be the best fit, you know, for me going forward. But again, I just would like to say thanks, and good to meet everybody here. And we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. You just got to keep pushing. We're gonna get it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Awesome.